Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is PJ Cooper. You're watching PJ Cooper the Model Builder, and yes, we are still on the Porsche 917KH. Stage 18 is at the ready to start, and this is of course by IXO Collections, a really good partware company that has a unbelievable eye for detail in their models. And in the previous day we had some parts that were made and were in the blister but were not being used. In this stage we're using everything and we're going on with that build right now. This is stage 18. These are the parts. And one set of KM screws. So what are we going to do? Okay, I'm going to put you aside and I'm going to zoom a little bit. So we're going to start with that one, and these have holes on the sides, and we're going to put those little things in. That last one was a bit of a hassle. What I did is put my my tweezer in there, twisted it around a bit, and now it's seated properly. Wow, 18D, horrible. Well, okay, we're going to get the engine in. Right there, there's a keyhole pattern, which you see there as well. So there's no other way to put that in. After that, we're going to put the fan in. After that, we're going to put a KM screw in there, and that will go on top most probably. Let's have a look. They're calling this the fuel lines. I don't think that is the fuel lines. But that is stage 18 done. We're going to do stage 19, as you see there, and stage 20 is the same thing, but then the other side of that. So that's that one. As you can see, these are the parts, and we're going to put them together. And we're starting with the putting those little things onto that one. And let's start with that one. As you can see, they're all done, and now we're going to put them on the engine. So we're going to start on the left hand side. This is the left hand side, I think. Yeah. And we're going to start with that one. These are all the rocker, or whatever the way we call it. I think they were called the rocker heads, but this one and that one is metal, and there we are going to use a different screw than the other ones. These are all P screws, and the other one is a an M screw because it's metal, that little housing. That screw thread went yuki. Okay, this is the one that we need to put the metal screw into, and that's the LM screw, this one, and we will be putting a bit of oil on that. And then the last one in this row of 3. Okay, have a good look at this. This is more or less how they want them. So you're holding that one like that, and you're changing it over, so it's more or less like that. That can go into there. We'll twist it over to the other side. And we're going to put the screw on that side there. That is how you get that one in. You saw me do that, and it falls into place pretty darn good. But I think we're doing something else before we do this, but yeah, let's go to the next page anyway. And see. The shorter of the two, this one. Okay, as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap, but I'll check that later on, and we'll push that on a little bit later. My thumbs are hurting from pushing that in. That was in. Okay, well, it's more or less in. We're going to leave that further because I'm going to scratch it and stuff it up anyway. There we go, that's pushed in thoroughly. Now we need to get, this is the metal one, so we need to put the LMs in. We're going to do that with the last one as well. And these are those again. These are the plastic ones again, so the IPs and not the LMs. These are not the neatest positions. And if you push them in, they come out again straight away. So we're going to leave it like that because we're going to work right here. So that is the manifold in, and we've done that little part there. We've put the screws in the intake trumpets, and that's that for this stage. Well guys, that's that engine done. Especially this side. This is the hardest side of them all. Yeah, I didn't put oil in this one. This fits a lot better. This one fits as well, or it goes in pretty well, but as soon as you push it to the position, it comes out again. So I'm gonna leave it. It's due to the fix, how it's affixed. So we'll see. I'm pretty happy with that. It was alright. I only wished I had a little bit more of these packs so I can do a bit more. But I'm not unhappy. I'm not unhappy. Those exhausts don't go together all the way. But I think I saw that with other people as well. They couldn't get it all together, so I'm going to leave it at that, and hope to see. Well, you're probably not going to see that. Well, you've not seen that, but I've just broken the 19H right there, and I will have to order that with IXO again. I'm going to do that in a moment, but that's just damn. That's be careful with those parts, guys. As you see with mine, it's broken just by holding it there. And don't put your thumb anywhere near that to hold it all together. Well, with that anyway, that was the build of this pack number 5, I think. Yeah, pack number 5 of this IXO Porsche 917KH. A beautiful and stunning build. I really, I cannot say that enough. You'll see the next one in a month or so, and I really hope that you join me on any other of my builds. And I'm going to say thank you. Thank you. Like, subscribe, pass it on, and as I said, I would love to see you next time on any of my other builds, or send me out some beautiful comments, and thank you. Bye-bye.